Mr. Sweet, whenever you're ready.
All right, this is Mr. Sweet, and this is going to be our Highland High School signing presentation for the 2019-2020 school year. A couple of housekeeping items before we get started. Please, during the presentation, if you guys would please keep your mics off so that we can kind of get through this. I do want to let everybody know that we're recording so we can present this later on. This is a school event, so please act accordingly as we go throughout. At the end of the event, we are going to ask all our seniors to sign the certificate. Hopefully everyone got a certificate. If you're not, sign like a piece of paper symbolizing that you're going to be attending the either military or the school that you're going to be attending to for next year. So if you'll have those available for us, go ahead and take a minute if you don't, but have those out. And at the end of the night, we'll have you guys sign those and then take a picture of that and send that to Miss Navejas at Evelyn_Navejas@kernhigh.org so that we can include those pictures with our presentation. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and get started. And we're going to be hearing from Miss Vikstrom, who's going to say a couple of words to get us started.
Well, good evening, Scott's family. Class of 2020, those of you who are here and those of you who will be watching this later, we miss you. I miss you. Tonight marks the first in a historic series of senior events, and we call this the Class of 2020 Virtual Senior Signing. I'd like to take a moment and thank Mrs. Navejas, Mrs. Hernandez, the counseling staff for making this all possible. But tonight we gather to celebrate and encourage you. Although the world as we know it has been upended, and although even though we meet virtually tonight instead of in the school gym, tonight is really about grit and determination. And by participating in tonight's event, you're signaling your commitment to facing a future amid uncertainty, conflict, and the loss of your senior year. And we want you to know that your Highland family is here to support you despite the distance between us. Whatever your goals or aspirations, there will be rocks in the road ahead. And whether they be stumbling blocks or stepping stones, all depends on you. Class of 2020, there's a whole world, a different world out there than we envisioned just 3 months ago. And so we look forward to seeing how you plat up and you make our community and you make our world a better place. Again, congratulations on tonight, on your future. Oh, the places you'll go. We love you.
Thank you for those words, Miss Vikstrom. So tonight, what we're going to do is we're going to start off by honoring our students who have decided to serve their country in the military. So they're going to be our first honorees tonight. And we're going to start off in alphabetical order with our students who are signing on to join the Air Force in the near future. And we'd like to honor Jenny Padilla for her commitment. Next, we have our students who are going to be joining the Army. So we'd like to honor Jennifer Angan Ramos for her service and Vanessa Mosley. Additionally, we have a student who's going to be, who's committed to serving in the Marines, and we'd like to honor Isaiah McNatt. And last, we have for the United States Navy, Brendan Gomez. We're going to conclude that with that's our students who are going to be committed to the military for this evening. And now we have for our students who are going to be continuing their education after they graduate and getting their skills at a technical school. Going to SJVC is Elena Telez. And attending UTI, the Universal Technical Institute, we have David Alberto Marino. Next, we'd like to honor our students who are going to be going to community colleges, starting with students that are going to be right here at home at the Bakersfield College Renegades. Our future Renegades at the Highland High School future Renegades include David Alejo, Wala Al-Gaiti, Suad Al-Nami, Halima Al-Tuwaidi, Adriana Alvarez. Francis Joshua Amistad. Seraphin Arboleda. Hannah Boy. Selena Black. Aramis Candia. Serena Cardial. Jose Castillo. Alexandra Catano. Mackenzie Chastain. Amaya Contreras. Elizabeth Coda. Hazel Cuar. Yasmin Espinoza. Ariana Flores. Brianna Fragoso. Matthew Jeanette. Perla Gomez. Guadalupe Gonzalez Serna. Jacob Gonzalez. Alexis Gutierrez. Michaela Israelson. Sharok Joba. Jaden Juarez. Stephen Curtis. Brandon Lopez Flores. Marjorie Matthews. Alicia Mexia. Madison Meyer. Sophia Montemayor. Michaela Moore. Jennifer Morales. Brenda Nunez. Rafael Nunez. Brittany Porter. Ethan Quezada. Mariah Ramirez. Samuel Resendez. Ashley Salas. Jacob Santoro. Gabriana Santos. Layla Santos. Gabriel Sierra. Yulitsi Silva. Tyler Terrell. And Vanessa Vega. Congratulations, future renegades. And attending Grossmont College in the fall, we have Sierra Bondurant. Finally, attending Pasadena City College, we have Kaylin Doyle. Congratulations, you guys. We hope that your journey next year will be successful. Attending our Cal State universities in the fall, starting at our local CSU, Cal State University Bakersfield, go Roadrunners, we have Antonio Alvarez, Ashlyn Alvarez, Jacqueline Alvarez, Alyssa Cleveland, Faith Dials, John Michael Dillon, Kaylee Garcia, Sky Garcia, Allison Harrison, Alexandra Hurtado, Esther Linares, Kelsey Lloyd, Jeanette Lopez Garcia, Jersey Marquez, Chase Mendez, Bianca Moreno, Deandra Moreno, Vivian Lisbeth Moreno, Clarissa Ramirez, Sinai Rodriguez, Nick Salas, Renee Torres, Arandi Vera Ariano. Congratulations, future Roadrunners. We have students who are going to be attending CSUs up and down the state of California. We'll go in alphabetical order, starting with the California State University of Channel Islands. We have Nayeli Chagoya Ayala and Jillian Rodriguez. Congratulations, girls. Attending Chico State, we have Rosa Azua. Attending Cal State East Bay in the fall, we have Adriana Fimbres. Attending Fresno State in the fall, we will have Martha Medina. Attending Cal State University Fullerton, we have Alexander Armenta. Going up north to Humboldt State University, we have Isabel Shara. Attending Cal State LA will be Maya Carey. Attending California State University Long Beach, we have Serena Navarez. Attending CSU Monterey Bay will be Jael Ayala. Cal Poly Pomona will include Luis Aguilar Chacagua, And at Sacramento State, Miss Gloria Rodriguez. At Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, we'll have Matthew Ortiz and Shabazz Muhammad. Congratulations, students who will be attending the Cal State universities in the fall. Now we will honor our students who are going to be attending the University of California. Start with our students going to University of California at Berkeley. We will start with Angel Aldaco and Devor Ramirez. Congratulations. Attending UC Davis in the fall will be Paola Charez and Monica Hernandez Santana. Congratulations, girls. Attending UC Irvine, we will have Isabel Coleman. Future Bruins at UCLA this fall will include Alexander Blas, Adesh Surjit Boparai, Carlos Diniz, Gabriela Lunar, Keshav Patel, Vaishnavi Samadrala, and Maya Wright. Congratulations, Bruins. Attending University of California at Santa Barbara will be Azucena Galarza and Crystal Madrigal. Students that are going to be attending private and out-of-state colleges and universities in the fall, starting at Langston University, we will have Jalea Bell, and Zainay Collins. Congratulations, girls. Attending the University of Maine at Machias, from one side of the United States to the other, will be Jalen Seals. Congratulations. Going to Northern Arizona University, up in Flagstaff, will be Stephanie Fulkerson. Congratulations. Attending Northwest Christian University will be Sophia Castillo. Attending Norwich University will be Assumpta Nandawala. Congratulations. And finally, attending the University of the Pacific, we have Aaliyah Veronica Pillion. Congratulations, Aaliyah. And finally, we have one student who will be leaving the United States to study abroad, going to all the way across the Atlantic Ocean to London, will be at Brunel University, will be Nahid Safa. Congratulations. That concludes our students who will be attending colleges and signing for the military. At this point, we want to give a thank you to Ms. Nevejas for putting this all together and honoring our students tonight. Also to all the counselors and their hard work. I'd especially like to help behind the scenes, Ms. Hernandez and Mr. Thompson. And of course, the most important is the class of 2020. You guys are awesome. We love you guys. We wish we could see you, but you guys are doing great. Can you guys please, at this point, go ahead and grab your signing certificates, grab a pen and a family member, and please symbolically sign those certificates stating that you're going to be making the commitment to pursuing the next leg in your journey, whether that be military or college, and sign that commitment now. And please take pictures of that you can send to Ms. Nevejas so we can celebrate that with you. And that concludes my part of it. Thank you guys, everybody. If anybody does want to say anything, please jump in.
Mr. Sweet, Mrs. Vikstrom, we'd like to thank you so much for tonight and for the special experience for our seniors. And thank you all very much. It will be posted with your pictures that your family are taking, or if you take some pictures, make sure you send them to Mrs. Nevejas by the 13th so that we can add this to our video, and we will be posting it on our